Are you a technophile and want to create your study planner according to it? So for this, just check it out. Hello and welcome you guys to my channel, that is Study Matters. And now let's get started with our new video, that is Study Planner Part 2. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to prepare a study planner on Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. This will be really a basic one, not so difficult, so don't worry about it. Let's have a quick look why a study planner is so important to be prepared. First is, you can complete whole of your syllabus within particular span of time or within your planned day. Second thing is, you can focus on each and every chapter of any particular subject. Third is, within limited days, you can learn more new things from different chapters. Is the most biggest benefit that you get by creating a study planner and by following it. That is, you can take out time from your studies for doing any other activities or maybe doing your favorite hobbies just because you have given specific time for your studies. Fifth one, there will be no burden on you to complete whole of your syllabus at once and then finally land up into a tragic situation. Finally, let's get actually started to make our study planner on MS Excel spreadsheet. So first you need to open blank workbook. These are all the cells on Excel sheet. And now start typing your content. So first we will be writing study planner and this will be in bold and its font will be bigger than all other content. So just left click over it and drag it towards right and increase its size as per shown in video. And now I'm just dragging the cell which is G cell and adding more new content, that will be subject. Here I'm adding mathematics, you can add any subject as per your need. Now decrease its size as I have shown in video right now. Now select G cell and just do wrap text and middle aligned it as shown in video. So your content fits within the G cell, one below the other. And now start writing the serial number, chapter name, planned date, completion date, and the most important, revision date too. Now here again, to fit it in one column, I'm just doing wrap text and dragging I cell towards right. Now put revision date, again wrap text it, and now increase the size or font size as I have shown in video by clicking capital A upward arrow, or you can simply do it as I have shown before. Again need to do some wrap text and increase the width of the cell if you want. Just select the column and drag it towards your right. Now select the row in which we have mentioned chapter name, plan date, completion date and revision and just change its alignment towards middle. Now select study planner cell which is G cell, right from F cell towards the end of our table, that is J cell, and click merge and center. तो जो भी आपके हेडिंग है वो पूरे टेबल के बिल्कुल सेंटर में अलाइन हो जाएगी. अभी यहाँ पे जहाँ पे मैंने दिखाया है वो बस आपको थोड़े से चेंजेस करने पड़ेंगे, लाइक फॉर एडजस्टिंग द रो विड्थ. And now go on typing the chapter numbers and names as shown. Now select all of your content as per shown in video to create some border lines for your table by clicking the border icon as shown in video. So here we have created a border to our table and now just center align all the things. Now it's time to color out our study planner. So here I'm selecting blue color. You can select any color by clicking the background color icon on your toolbar. Put any color of your wish, but just remember that it should be a light color, so whatever you have typed on it, it looks more brighter on it. So plan date, completion date and revision date column will be vacant because we need to add the numbers and keep erasing it out, or if you are doing soft copy you need to edit it every day. Now let's move on towards changing the font color by just clicking the same icon on your Excel sheet to add more new colors. Now our study planner is ready with just one subject. You can also add more new subject to your study planner. So now for clearing out the grids, just click onto the view button and then click onto the grids, and your grids will just clear out from your Excel sheet. Don't ever forget to save all your content as it is. Now if you want to turn this soft copy and hard copy, you can get printout of this and then start marking your plan date and completion date, revision date on it, or rather you can just keep on editing on this soft copy itself. Let's have a quick overview of all the tools which we have used till now. So the first tool is used for increasing or decreasing the font size, that is the size of your letter. Next one is to change the font style of your letters. This tool is used to create some border around your content. This tool is used to fill background color, and this is used to give color to your font or your letters. These tools are used to change the alignment of your content, that is changing it towards right or towards left or in center. And now this one is used to merge the cells, which is the rows and the columns of the Excel sheet, as we had done before to create a heading. So if you have liked my video and want to watch some more stuff like this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. One important news for you all guys is that soon I'm starting a new section of my channel, that is Craftopia, where I will be uploading some cool DIY craft related stuff. So stay tuned.